guy. Hey, man, like your Integra, man.
Thanks, man.
Hey, what's your name?
Sock.
Mondo.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, what's your name, bro?
Mateo.
Mateo?
What's yours?
Mondo.
Nice to meet
Dude, look at this. All the Integras, dude. So rare, man. So rare, dude. Oh, dude, right on, man. Yes. That's clean. I like it. Looks it, bro. 67. Blue convertible. Yeah. Nice. It's legit. It's good turnout. Good turnout. Friday night.
This is cool. Sorry, I don't know.
No, you're good. Yeah, that's good. Dude, I like how that fitment. Dang. It's like clean wheels. No, it wasn't. You probably won't want me then. I don't think you were with me.
It was convertible.
Same license plate. Right on. That's cool.
Shine your light on the bike.
Which one?
That.
Old school right here. No, I don't need it. I'm good.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, yeah. So clean. It's very snug.
Yeah, it's crammed in there.
Nice.
And believe it or not, this is a one-owner car.
Wow, right on.
So,
Sounds nice when I heard it earlier.
oh yeah, okay.
Yeah. Right on.
So it's been an ongoing project and will continue to be. But
Yeah.
you put the supercharger? It's a Vortec YSI. So
That's
kind of
fine.
their extra large unit. How much power does it do? I have not dynoed it, but it's pulling for like 30 psi. So that's
Wow.
oh my god, yeah, well,
That's a good number.
it's a good amount.
Yeah. Right on. That's clean car, bro. Well, this one?
Super small.
Yeah, I like it, dude. Oh yeah.
Big tires. All right, so tell us what we're doing right now.
And we're gonna check out this car. I don't know, it's popping off. We'll see if we get shut down. I don't know. What you got, bro? What you got?
You don't pump that.
No. They're not revving.
We didn't do it.
I think you will.
Like it.
Soy una eminencia para la fiesta y el desván.
Yep.
That was live, like a soul train, yeah.